Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to get 100 email per page on Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Look now in my Gmail, only 25 emails, 1 to 25 email displayed per page, and this is default. Now I'm going to show you how to display 100 email per page on Gmail. Now click on settings icon on upper right corner. Now click on see all settings. Now here maximum page size by default is 25. Now click on the drop down and you will find here 50, 100. And I am selecting 100, and now scroll down and now click on save changes. Now look 1 to 100 per page. Look now in my Gmail 100 email is displayed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.